If you use this particular method I am about to show you, I bet you are going to increase your subscriber. So you can see right here I have about 8,000 subscribers, and if I have been using this method since the beginning that I started YouTube, I think by now I should be having like 100 subscriber at this particular moment, because when people actually watch your video, you are going to be getting like 100 views, and you are going to be getting like maybe like 10 subscriber from them or thereabout, and that is really not very good and nice. So in this particular trick, we are going to be getting one subscriber. So we are going to name this one views, one subscriber. So imagine you're having about 100 people watching your video, just 100, and you're already having about 60 subscriber or 70 subscriber. That is the goal we want for this particular video. So first thing first, you need to come to your browser. Just go to your browser, then search sub for unlock. Yeah, so sub for unlock YouTube. Right, so once you search this, you're going to see this particular first one right here. So you can click on this one, you can click on this too, but I don't know about this for now. This is the one I've been using, so you can try the first one. So once you click on it right here, you're going to see sub for unlock. I know very smart people now, they want to run out because they've seen the website, they want to run and do it. You can go and try it, but I bet with you are going to come back because you will not get the trick that is actually involved in this particular stuff, right? So this is how this work. It's actually like, if you are in the niche of how to make money online or whatever niche you are, that you need to refer someone to go and click on a link that the link is actually going to help them or something. No, when they say, go and click on this link and I need to get something from that link, I need to go and click on it as fast as possible. So this is where the trick for this particular stuff actually comes up. So before they are able to click on the link, they have to click on subscribe. They have to subscribe to your platform first, and that is how it comes from. So let me show you how it works right now. So let's go and copy down my link, my channel link for them to subscribe. Then we continue with this. So for me, because this is my own page, so I'll just click on edit channel right here, and I'm going to see my URL to my channel at this particular point. So I'll copy, then I'll come back to this. So right, so I'm going to paste it at this particular site. So this is my URL. I'm going to paste it. So right, so before we go further, let me just show you this. You can actually like get, if your focus is actually getting more likes, so all you need to do is to click on this again, and you'll be getting more. So you make sure that this is actually showing red. So wherever you click, so if you want more option, just open this and you click on this. Even if you have two channels, if you want them to subscribe to the two channel before they have access to the link, they will do that. So you just click on the second channel also, and you have to add the link to the channel also right here. So for the purpose of this particular video, you know, now if you are telling someone to do things multiple times, they will get tired. So they just make it simple and put it on the subscriber part alone, just subscriber part. So what is the link you want to show to them? So right now I'm actually going to be showing my music. So let's say I wanted to listen to my music right now, and so this is my music on Spotify. You are going to see I'm an artist. So once you click on this Apyong, this is it. Then I'm going to click on one of my link right here. So let me click on this one, Cococa. Then I'm going to click on share link. Then I'm going to click on copy, right? So I've currently copied the link. Then we come back to this particular side. So after coming back here, you paste the link right now. So this is the link to the song, right? So if you see this particular site which said set password to link, if you open it, it's actually going to tell you to set password. So if you are giving a group of people, maybe it's like a group of people, you set a password right here, and you have to give them the password to be able to go. So why do you want to put yourself into that kind of stress? Because you are looking for something. Why are you private chatting it? Also, why are you putting it on a private secret space? So it is not going to work that way. So we are going to leave this place open like this, so that people just have to click and have access to it automatically. So then we are going to click on generate link, right? So we are going to allow this to load, and the link is actually going to get generated for us right now. So you can see this is the link has been generated, and I'll just copy it. So once I copy this particular link, then I'm going to go to my YouTube channel right now. So let's go back to my YouTube. Right, so if you come to my YouTube right now, so I can go to any video and put this particular link right there. So I'll put it under the video, then put it on the comment. So let's go and do that. So I'll click on this particular one.
Check out this amazing tab.
Okay, I don't want the video to play, so then I'll go to the comments. Because it is my video, then I'm going to click on it. Right, I've sent it, right, so I can pin it right here. So once I pin it, so this is how it's going to look if you watch this particular video now. It's just going to pop up in this format for you, and this is Epion. So let's go and search this particular video. So you have to use another account that has not been subscribed to this account before to get it done, so that we can be sure if it's actually working. So let me look for an account that is not subscribed to this, then we are going to get this done. So this is my music account, and we are going to search Epion plug. So let's just go ahead to search Epion plug. Yeah, so this is the account. So let's find the video we want to watch. So this is the account right now. So you can see I'm subscribed to this before, so I'm going to unsubscribe. I'm going to unsubscribe now. So you can see I've currently unsubscribed this, and let's see if this magic is going to work. Right, so I'll click on this now, and we are going to locate that particular video we search for. So this is the video right now. So I'm going to click on the video for, okay, I don't want that to play, yeah, to avoid. Yeah, so now I'm going to come, then go to the comment. So this means we've actually tell people to watch our video. We've actually told them to watch our video. Then they need an asset, they need something to gain, and they need to go and check from the comment section right here. So then this is the comment, then, or you can put it on the description. Once I click on this particular link right now, I need to access this particular music stuff. So you can see, so complete step to continue. Like, I need to complete this particular step to actually continue to watch or to get the link, whatever. So all I need to do is just click on subscribe. Once I click on subscribe, automatically it's going to bring me to my page, right? It brought them to my page. You can see the subscribe button. So this is something that they need to do before they can access the link. So I'll click on subscribe. You can see, then turn on the notification. So after I've done that, they minimize and go back. Then this is going to load and show that it's completed. So even if you try to like risk it or try to like open and come back, it will not work. You have to click on it and make sure it actually works. So then you can see this particular site is being unlocked, then you can get your link. So once I click on this link right here, so your link is ready, then I'm going to click on this, and it's bringing me back to my Spotify. So this is my song, and it's playing for me. So if you actually use this particular method and you have a video or kind of something that you can refer to people to go and click, and they're going to get something from it, they will be eager to go. Even if they are selfish to subscribe to you, they will actually be forced to subscribe at that particular point. So if you can try this out, I bet with you are going to be getting more people. So if you're watching me for the first time, do not forget to hit subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon. I'll see you in my next video.